Imagine this. You're at a party, and someone asks you to compare two Olympic athletes. One's a gold medal gymnast who can backflip on a tightrope. The other's a powerlifter who works double shifts at a car factory. That's exactly what we're doing today, but with humanoid robots instead. On one side, Unitree's G1, the $16,000 acrobat that just went viral for boxing like Rocky. On the other, figures Helix, the six-figure factory genius that's currently building BMWs better than some humans. Everyone have been geeking out over their 2025 upgrades, and what they reveal about our robotic future might surprise you. Let's get technical. Let's cut straight to what really defines these two robots, their price tags, and the radically different visions behind them. The Unitree G1 comes at you with a tiered pricing structure that makes advanced robotics shockingly accessible. You can walk away with the base model for $16,000, which is already revolutionary for a humanoid platform. But if you want the full experience that streamer Kai Cenat showcased, you're looking at the EDU Ultimate CU5 configuration, topping out at $67,000. Here's what's groundbreaking. These aren't vaporware promises. Unitree is shipping these right now to research labs and content creators who want to push boundaries today. The G1 represents a democratized approach to robotics. Its open platform architecture invites tinkerers and developers to modify, hack, and expand its capabilities. This isn't a locked-down appliance. It's a canvas for innovation where the community can drive progress. When you buy a G1, you're not only getting a robot, you're buying into an ecosystem of potential. Now shift gears to figures Helix, where the numbers paint a very different picture. While the exact pricing hasn't been publicly confirmed, it's expected to land well above Unitree's G1, likely in the $90,000 to $130,000 range or even higher. Why? Because this isn't a research toy. It's industrial-grade hardware built for real-world deployment. Just look at BMW's Spartanburg plant, where since March 2025, these robots have been performing actual manufacturing tasks. With roots in the six-figure Figure 01, the Helix platform offers a tightly integrated system, powered by advanced AI and optimized for autonomous operations. It's purely about precision, performance, and reliability at scale. Now, when these machines flex their mechanical muscles, their specialized designs become immediately apparent. The G1's 90 Newton-meters of knee torque might sound modest until you see it in action. This is precisely tuned for explosive athletic performance. Those 90 Newton-meters deliver the snap needed for perfect 720-degree kicks and rapid boxing combos, where precision matters more than raw power. Then there's the Helix, boasting a commanding 150 Newton-meters of knee torque, 67% stronger than its acrobatic counterpart. This industrial-grade strength translates directly to workhorse capabilities. Where the G1 might crack walnuts for demonstration purposes, the Helix casually handles car sheet metal at BMW facilities. Payload capacity tells the same story. The G1's 2 kilos lifting limit keeps it nimble for research and entertainment applications. Meanwhile, the Helix's 20 kilos capacity makes it a legitimate replacement for human workers in material handling scenarios. These aren't arbitrary specs. They reflect fundamentally different design priorities. Mobility reveals perhaps the most fascinating divergence. The G1's new super sensory system represents a breakthrough in dynamic balance, enabling previously impossible feats like tightrope walking. This isn't just about looking impressive, it demonstrates remarkable real-time adjustment capabilities that could inform future rescue or inspection robots. Contrast this with Helix's movement philosophy. Through advanced simulation training, it's developed a strikingly natural walking gait that prioritizes efficiency and stability over flashy maneuvers. Watching a Helix navigate a factory floor today versus its earlier prototypes shows how far this approach has come. The improvement in fluidity and energy efficiency is dramatic. These physical capabilities aren't merely technical specs, they're expressions of each robot's core identity. The intelligent systems powering these robots reveal their fundamentally different approaches to problem solving. Unitree's G1 runs on NVIDIA's Orin AI platform, a powerful but static system that executes pre-programmed routines with flawless precision. What you see in those viral boxing matches and kung fu demonstrations isn't learning in action, but rather the result of meticulously crafted code. The G1's LiDAR and depth cameras provide comprehensive 360-degree environmental awareness, allowing it to perform backflips and tightrope walks by precisely tracking its spatial position. These sensors feed data into control algorithms that make micro-adjustments mid-motion. But the robot isn't developing new skills autonomously. Figure's Helix operates on an entirely different level of artificial intelligence. Its OpenAI-powered Vision Language Action (VLA) model represents a quantum leap in robotic cognition. When you tell a Helix to put this in the drawer, it doesn't just follow pre-mapped movements. It understands the instruction, identifies the drawer, and determines the appropriate action sequence. This cognitive ability extends to its warehouse operations, where 6 high-resolution RGB cameras enable autonomous barcode scanning with 95% accuracy. The system doesn't just see objects, it comprehends them in context, adjusting its behavior based on real-time visual analysis. When these machines step out of the lab and into actual working environments, their specialized designs shine through in completely different ways. The G1 has made history as the first humanoid robot boxing champion, demonstrating reflexes and footwork that blur the line between programmed routines and organic movement. Its dance and kung fu performances showcase an unprecedented level of dynamic balance and coordination, even if these capabilities currently serve more for entertainment than practical applications. There's no denying the engineering marvel of watching a G1 execute a perfect 720-degree spin kick, but these remain carefully choreographed demonstrations rather than adaptive real-world solutions. Helix, by contrast, is quietly revolutionizing industrial automation. At BMW's Spartanburg plant, these robots handle precise manufacturing tasks like part insertion with the reliability of veteran human workers. In logistics centers, Helix processes packages at a remarkable 4.05 seconds per item, a 20% improvement achieved through advanced vision memory and force feedback systems. The robot now handles polybags, rigid boxes, and flat envelopes with equal confidence, dynamically adjusting its grip strategy mid-motion. A key breakthrough is its new temporal awareness. Unlike earlier systems that treated each camera frame in isolation, Helix maintains short-term memory of package orientation, eliminating redundant scanning actions. Perhaps most impressively, Helix has developed organic problem-solving behaviors like its now famous package padding maneuver. When encountering wrinkled plastic mailers, the robot gently flattens them to ensure scannable surfaces, a technique it developed autonomously through analysis of human demonstration data rather than explicit programming. This level of adaptive intelligence, combined with a human-like walking gait refined through simulation training, positions Helix as a true pioneer in practical robotic applications. Where the G1 dazzles with physical prowess, Helix delivers measurable industrial productivity gains. Power management reveals another stark contrast between these robotic platforms. The Unitree G1 runs on a 9,000 milliamp-hour lithium-ion smart battery that delivers about 2 hours of continuous operation, perfect for research demos or entertainment routines. Its quick-release design allows for rapid battery swaps, while the 54-volt 5-amp charger ensures efficient recharging between performances. The IP54 rating means it can handle lab environments with ease, and an advanced cooling system prevents overheating during those intense backflips and boxing matches. This setup reflects the G1's identity as a high-performance athlete that operates in bursts rather than marathons. Figure's Helix takes a completely different approach with battery systems designed for industrial endurance. Its substantially larger battery capacity enables 5+ hours of continuous operation, crucial for factory shifts and logistics work. The system has survived over 1,000 drop tests, proving its ruggedness in demanding environments. Perhaps most impressively, Helix features quick-swap power modules that enable true 24/7 operation, with robots docking to exchange batteries autonomously between tasks. This industrial-grade power solution matches the robot's role as a tireless worker rather than a performer. Let's call this what it is: a knockout victory for both platforms in their respective weight classes. The G1 doesn't just win agility, it redefines it. Those viral backflips and boxing matches aren't party tricks. They're proof that affordable robotics can outperform million-dollar lab projects. With units shipping today at a fraction of Helix's cost, Unitree isn't just making robots, they're democratizing advanced robotics. But Helix? It's playing a different game entirely. That 20-kilo payload capacity isn't strong. It's strong enough to replace human workers in material handling. The AI doesn't just follow commands, it understands them like a seasoned employee. And that BMW deployment isn't a demo. It's the vanguard of the robotic workforce revolution. Here's the real win. The G1 proves cutting-edge robotics can be accessible today, while Helix shows us where the technology is going tomorrow. One pushes boundaries, the other defines them. In this matchup, the real winners are the researchers, engineers, and businesses who now have two spectacular options to advance their work. The future of robotics isn't a single path. It's these parallel revolutions, each accelerating the other forward. So who takes the crown in this battle of robotic philosophies? That's where you come in. Cast your vote now. Which 2025 bot blows your mind more? G1's acrobatic mastery, Helix's industrial genius. Drop your pick in the comments. We'll feature the best robot debates in our next episode. Want more hardcore robotics breakdowns? Hit that subscribe button and tap the bell. You won't want to miss when we tear more into these machines.